Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. MS Word Bullets and Numbering. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the MS Word's bullets and numbering. So, to start this off, first thing you need to do is open up your MS Word. So, once your Microsoft Word is open up, click on Home. After clicking on Home, you will see in the middle paragraphs. Here, you will see on the left side, small things are called the bullets, and then next to it is the numbering. So, how to apply them? So, to apply them, for example, you want this to be here in this until this. You want it to be a number. But this one, you don't want it to be in a bullet or maybe a number. Just highlight the words that you want to bullets or numbering. Then click on home. After click on home, click on the bullets or numbering. Click on the bullets. There we go. It will look like that. But when you click on the numbering, it will look like that. It will look like numbers. So there. And you can also change or customize its appearance. For example, right here, you can change it to right here. You can none. Let's try a check. There you go. You see right now it's now a check. Then change the numbers to numbering to letters. You can change it to letters or this one. See? There you go. There you go. And you can also change its change list levels. As you can see, here are all the levels. You can add any of those. You can add this one, level 9. Will just go super far away from the left side. Or you can choose the middle. So in the middle, you can choose this one. There we go. And let's see what else we can do. And you can also do this in the bullets right here. So see right here. Also do that there. So let's move it back. So there you go, guys. That's the bullets and numbering in Microsoft Word. So and a little bit of tip for you guys. You can also add a multi-level list. You see here. When you get to the multi-level list, as you can see, you can add it like it's a like that. As you can see, there you go. It is more a little bit more unique and more different from to call this from bullets and numbering. But but this one is like an add-on. So once you have this, you can also add on the what they call this multi-level list, and it will make your paragraphs or maybe list more appealing. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed. And then, quick tip for you guys. Another tip: you can also change the paragraphs place right here. So you see, there you go, there you go, there you go. And you can also do the controls. So you can also do Control E to place in the middle, or Control R and Control L. So as you can see right here, Control E, Control R, and Control L. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.